Consider the set of all functions from 0 to 2014 to the set 0 to 2014 such that f of I is equal to small I for every element between 0 and 2014. So it is saying that we have a function from 0, 1, 2, 3 to 2014 to another set, that is the same set 0, 1, 2, 3 to 2014 such that f of I is equal to I for every element I belonging to the set 0 to 2014. So I am taking example of one such function such that this condition is satisfied. Suppose we have a set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on 2014. This is first set, set A. Similarly another set 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so on up to 2014. Now in order to satisfy this condition, I have designed a function in such a way that 0 will be mapped to 1, 1 will be mapped to 0, 2 is mapped to 3, 3 is mapped to 2, 4 is mapped to 5, 5 is mapped to 4, 6 to 7 and 7 to 6, so on alternatively following 2013, 2013, 2012, 2012. See, follow the pattern: even then odd, even then odd. So in the last, even then odd. 2012 will be mapped to 2013 and 2013 will be mapped to 2012. Now when you check, everywhere this condition will be satisfied. Let's take example. I want to see f of 3. See, what is f of 3? 2. F of 3 will be replaced by 2. And what is f of 2? 3. So f of 3 is equal to 3. Hence condition is satisfied. Now we will check option P. For each such function, it must be the case that for every I, fi is equal to I, and Q is saying that for each such function, it must be the case that for some I, fi is equal to I. For some I means there exists at least single I, so that this condition is true. fi is equal to I is true. See, if you see f0 is equal to 1, that is f0 is not equal to 0, it is saying that fi should be equal to I. It is possible only in the last case, in case of 2014, which is mapped to itself, because all are mapped alternatively. So fi will be equal to I only in case of 2014, that is f of 2014 is equal to 2014. So you can see another also, f of 4 it will be 5, f of 6 will be 7. So here f of I is equal to I fails, but in this case f of I is equal to I passes. So f of I is equal to I is true only for some I, but not for every I. It is P is saying that for every I, f of I will be equal to I. So this is false. There are several I is equal to 4, where this statement becomes false, I is equal to 6 where this is fails, but only I is equal to 2014 where fi is equal to I. So for some I, fi is equal to I is correct, that is p is correct and q is correct and p is false. Now we will see option R. Each such function must be onto. See, it is given in the condition of the question that f of I is equal to I. f of I equal to I. This is the same condition of inverse function. For any inverse function, f inverse of fx is equal to x for any inverse function. This is the property of inverse function. So we can say that f is inverse of itself. Since f is inverse of itself, it means that f is invertible, and for function to be invertible, f must be 1 1 and onto. So statement R, which says that each such function must be onto, is also correct. So according to our statement, option only Q and R are true, so option B is correct.